Hey everybody, this time we have to take a look at an app called Grabby Board. Let's show you. See, then the absence. See, you can do that, and you do that. You just touch there. Just goes back. And then this is how to install it. Go into Cydia. It's loading up. Yeah, and we have to add a source. Go into sources, and you have to add the source called repo insanely.com. You just edit, add, repo dot insanely.com. When you added that source, hope you get it there. Go to search and search Grabby Board. She's there, completely free. And then you install it. Go to your settings app. And there you go. And so, well, how to activate it? Just go to that shake, and then you can do all those things. And then we do, what shall we take? We take the app SB Rotator. Then Cydia is loading up. Boom, 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 boom. Then just the same app, or source, insanely repo, repo insanely. It's just reloading, and then we search SB. Oh, that's wrong. SB Rotator. There. Here. And it's on 4.2.1. You have to do that. Install it. And then you go to your settings app. SB Rotator. Enable rotation. You can do that. The landscape rotation. When you enable landscape mode, you can do it like that. That's pretty cool. That's when you flip it that way. So that's it. I just have to show you one more thing, guys. This, when you activate it fully, just goes really slow, and goes back. See ya.